Today we're going to be looking at more large single stories in the Northwest. These plans are going to be by Lennar. They are going to be more of the next gen series. So you got your entrance to your next gen right there, and then double doors leading into the house. We're going to have a total of 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms. It's 3,932 square feet. Got a nice open great room, massive kitchen. Professional appliances are included. The builder's also been offering tons of incentives on its quick move-in properties, which of course are ones where the builder selects the upgrades, begins the build process. The closer it is to closing, the better the incentives are. You can see this model does have the waterfall edge on the island. The appliances are the standards right now in these models. Of course, everything's subject to change depending on how sales go. Nice big walk-in pantry. The huge sliding glass doors add a lot of natural light into the property. You come over, we got a powder room, coat closet leading into the primary suite, which is massive. Shouldn't have any problem getting all your furniture in there. It's a nice setup for the master bath. Large separate shower, floating tub. You're gonna have the dual vanities. A really nice sized walk-in closet. Lennar's been building these floor plans for a while because they do really well. And they're all coming with very nice sized lots. Many of these are getting close to half acre. The secondary bedrooms are also a very nice size, but again, with nearly 4,000 square foot, they really should be. Do have a Jack and Jill bath connecting to the bedroom number 3. Walk-in closet, also a nice size. You have a separate little game room, loft area for downstairs. Bedroom number 4 has its own ensuite. Again, very nice size. All the bedrooms are on the same side of the house in this model. Then we get into the next gen suite. It's got its own little living space, small kitchenette. All the appliances are included again. Its own bedroom. It's going to have a walk-in closet as well. Walk-in shower. And even has its own laundry. Very well thought out floor plan. Of course, if it doesn't work for you, give us a call, 702-480-9137. We will find you the home that does fit your needs. Whether it's new homes or resale properties, we'll be glad to help. You can also go to our website, lvhomesgroup.com. Search everything that's on the market, updated throughout the day. But if you are interested in this home, just give us a call. We'll be happy to set up a tour. Again, 702-480-9137.